Hello everyone, Kay here on my Tennessee homestead, and in today's episode we are going to see how the all blue potatoes grown in potato grow bags did. We harvested just a few days ago. Check it out. My potatoes have got some yellowing on the leaves and they still haven't bloomed, so I'm very concerned. Sometimes potatoes develop without blooming. Sometimes they bloom, sometimes they don't. 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I only have 5? Yeah. You know, potatoes have kept people alive for centuries, and they're loaded with nutrients and fiber, and the best part is they're easy to grow. If you have a large space or a small space, if you have fertile soil or poor soils, you're likely to be successful growing potatoes. And there are so many recipes. Just imagine soups, fried, hash browns, boiled, riced, scalloped, baked, breakfast potatoes. You can enjoy them so many ways, and they're so easy to prepare. Can you open that Velcro and let's see if there's actually some potatoes in there? Just if you knock some of that dirt. I didn't even use the little doors at all.
Oh.
Do you see it? No?
Is that it?
That is a potato, but it might not be a good one. There's going to be a lot of little ones in there. Okay, let's just do it the other way. Let's dump it from the top. That could take forever. Oh, wow. Hey, we got potatoes. Do you want to just pull them out and just set them, I guess, over here on the corner? Let me get a pot or... Oh, these are nice.
Yeah, they are, actually.
I'm glad we took them out before it rains again. Do you have another glove? Oh, you do?
Yeah,
okay.
I just want to cover up that cut.
Band-Aids come off so easily. I think there's a big one towards your feet. You got a big one over there.
Oh, wow.
Only one more. Actually, that soil looks really good. That's going to really help the flower garden.
Yep.
need to get a scale, but I don't have one. So, feels like about, I don't know, 4 to 5 pounds. Looks kind of bad, huh? Okay, here is the mound that I planted potatoes in today. And here we are in July, and we can plant in Zone 7 a second crop of potatoes in the same year. So we just planted another round. As you can see, Justin and I just planted 6 more grow bags of russet potatoes this time, and it's July the 2nd, and we're looking at a harvest long before the first frost. In California, I grew potatoes year-round. They're so easy to grow, and I grew them in grow bags, in containers, raised beds, and even occasionally in the ground before I packed my whole little garden full of tropical fruit trees. But here in Zone 7, just like we can for cool season vegetables such as chard, spinach, and lettuce, we can get 2 full crops of potatoes in the same year. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking the videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And if you're starting over like me, I hope you'll subscribe. Click that bell for notifications, scroll down and hit all so you won't miss anything right here on my Tennessee homestead. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.